Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a nice metal rocking bench. This thing is going to absolutely look great on your front porch or in your backyard. Absolutely love it. So this was sent over by a company called VEVOR, and once it arrives, it's pretty easy to put together. It's going to take you about an hour if you're doing it by yourself. Comes with all the parts and pieces that you need, so you don't need any extra tools or anything like that. And it goes together very smoothly. Like, all the joints are nice and aligned. Everything, they even include little caps to hide the hardware, which is just a nice touch. It feels and looks very, very premium. Now, it's all made out of a metal that is powder coated, so it can hold up to the elements, whether it's rain, snow, dust, all that fun stuff. It can hold up outside, which I absolutely love. I personally like it on my porch because I sit there and I can watch the kiddos and chat with the neighbors as they go by. But you can really put this anywhere in your house or outside, wherever you wish. To give you an idea of the overall size of this thing, it is about 50 inches long. It's about 27¼ inches in depth and about 33 and 3/4 inches tall to the back. Now, you'll notice the back part, it comes right up to your middle of your back, so it's very comfortable when sitting on it. It also has a nice swoop as far as the bench material itself, so it cradles you really well. And as you can see, the swinging of it is very, very smooth. It makes zero sound, so no squeaking or anything like that. It's very, very quiet when rocking back and forth, which I absolutely love. It has a nice fluid, smooth feel to it. Now, this thing can hold up to 550 pounds and up to 3 people, basically 2 normal size adults or kind of skinnier adults with a kiddo is what it's going to really hold. But it's a great size of a bench, and it looks kind of like this nice vintage look to it. So reminiscence of kind of those old town squares or old parks. It kind of has this rusted looking bronze finish to it, but like I said, it is powder coated, so that way it's got a nice clean finish on it and you don't have to worry about all those rust spots. But overall, if you're looking for a super comfortable bench for your space or your home, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.